lashes like straight in front of you, which I do. But I want a little bit of curl to them. Then you go ahead. Hold on, I need to clamp down a little longer. I use more time. Some people go, gee, 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 like that's done. You must already have a lot of curl in your lashes if you're doing it that fast. I'm just telling you. Okay. So now I'm going to just literally let go a little pressure and pull out a little bit. And then lift my elbow and curl back towards the socket. And what that does is it changes that crimp to that crimp. Okay, so it makes it just a little more curly. Just a little. And I bounce it a little just to, I don't know why I do that. And then I just hold it. Now, all that being said, okay, see how sticky that was? What have we learned? Your eye shadow and eye boogies get on your eyelash curler, and so you always stop at this point with a wet wipe, not a wet wipe, a makeup cleaner, and wipe it off. Get that off, because it will harden and you cannot get it off. You'll about ruin. Look how much came off. And I'd clean this every time, and that much came off. Yeah. Look at that. Yes, so much. All right. Yep, and the reason you use one of these instead of a tissue is because that little piece of rubber right there, the tissue, all those fibers come off, and that's like white, and then you put that on your eye, and you're like, oh, stuff's all in my eye. It's the tissue fuzz. So I use these It Bye Bye makeups because I don't really like the way that these get off waterproof makeup because on the lashes, because it is a little fibery. But it's not so fibery that I wouldn't use it for this purpose, and this is an important purpose too. Would I use this? Would I buy these just for that? No, because I don't know. I can't remember how pricey they were. I don't remember. Okay, so that's going to end up being trash. I do hate to waste something that expensive because that's all I'm using it for. Alright, so I'm going to put that back up. Now, I'm going to put on my liner, and I'm using my DHC. Here we go. Going to kind of do this quickly. You almost aren't going to see this liner, but it does reinforce this dark color right at the base. And it kind of gives a finished look to your lashes. But again, because you've got a dark shadow, you're not going to see it that much. Just make sure you connect it good down here. And there. There we go. See, it's not much. I'm not doing much. There, connect it. And then stay right on the lash line. We're not doing a big, I mean, you can if you want to. I feel like it'd be more of a waste because the focus isn't on the wing. The focus is on the dark color on the lid. And I don't even want to take away from that. I want that to be a reinforcement of it only. Making sure it's a good connection of color. Yeah. Yep. Good enough. At some point you just got to decide, am I done? Okay, so which I'm going to use waterproof. So, I don't know. What should I use? I've got so many options today. I could use Total Temptation Waterproof from Maybelline. I could use the Rocket Volume again. I think that's almost out though. Or the Tarte Lights Camera Splashes. It's usually lashes, but because it's waterproof, it's called lashes. It's still wet enough. I need to get some new mascara. It dries out so quick, y'all. Now this is a spoolie brush. So I may use two different kinds today. But waterproof just holds this curl so much better. I love the Thrive Cosmetics though. The Thrive lash extensions. I like that a lot. I use it a lot, if you've noticed. It's the only non-waterproof makeup I use because it's buildable, so well buildable that it's this one. It's so heavy. I don't know why it's so heavy. But anyway, it's very quality feeling. Maybe because it's so heavy. Yeah, this is nice and still a very wet formula, but it's not so wet. Whereas the Thrive is very wet. It's a little messy putting on if you're not careful. You have to be careful. I think I just got some in my hair.